Hey there, coders. Ever wonder what it takes to become a 10x better coder? Well, today, I'm going to reveal the one concept that will skyrocket your coding skills. You ready? Let's dive in. Alright, imagine you're staring at an endless sea of code. The bug you can't squash, the feature you can't build, the deadline you can't meet. Sounds familiar, right? But here's the thing. There's a secret weapon you're missing out on. And that weapon is mindset. Stay with me because this isn't just motivational fluff. Mindset is the difference between a good coder and a great one. It's about approaching problems not as obstacles but as opportunities. See, the best coders aren't just technically skilled. They're also resilient, curious, and unafraid of failure. Let's break it down. First, resilience. You need to bounce back from setbacks. Everyone hits roadblocks, but it's your ability to push through them that sets you apart. Remember, every bug you fix makes you smarter. Every problem you solve boosts your confidence. Next, curiosity. Great coders are always learning. They dig deep into new technologies, experiment with different approaches, and constantly ask, what if? So the next time you find yourself stuck, take it as a sign to explore. Dive into documentation, seek out tutorials, or even ask for help. The knowledge you gain will be invaluable. And finally, fearlessness. Coding is an iterative process. You will fail, and that's okay. The key is to fail fast and learn faster. Embrace mistakes as part of your journey to mastery. The more you experiment, the more you'll discover what works and what doesn't. So, how do you cultivate this mindset? Start by setting small, achievable goals. Celebrate your wins, no matter how minor they seem. Surround yourself with a community of like-minded coders. Share your experiences and learn from theirs. And most importantly, keep coding. The more you practice, the more natural this mindset becomes. To wrap it up, remember this. Mindset is your most powerful tool. It's what will transform you from a good coder into a great one. Embrace resilience, nurture your curiosity, and be fearless in the face of failure. Keep pushing the boundaries, and you'll be amazed at how far you can go. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on leveling up your coding game. Happy coding!